Hello and welcome everyone. So we are launching the course Python for Data Science. In this course, we'll be covering all the concepts of Python which are needed for data science from basic to advanced. And this course will be learning by examples. Most of the things we'll be doing hands-on. So there will be less theoretical knowledge and more practical knowledge kind of thing this course will be. So let's start with module 1. So in module 1, we are going to cover about Python, what is Python, why we need Python for data science and all that. Then we'll be looked into how installing Python. So the tool we are going to use for this course is Anaconda. So we'll be using Jupyter through Anaconda. Then we'll be doing our first code. Then we'll be learning about the comments and we'll also see some basic mathematical operations. Now, what is Python? Python is actually a general purpose, interpreted, interactive, object oriented, and a high level programming language. It was actually created in 1991 by Guido van Rossum. Now, the question comes, why do we need Python for data science? Why most of the people are using Python nowadays for all the data science concepts and all the data science algorithms? So there are various reasons for this. The first one is it's easy to learn. So Python has very few keywords and it's the structure of it is very simple. And it has a clearly defined syntax which allows students as well as the professional to pick up the language quickly. So it's very easy to learn. And by the end of this course, you will be an expert in Python for data science. Then it's easy to read. So Python, the codes which are available in Python is clearly defined and it's visible to the eyes. It's also easy to maintain. So Python source code is very easy to maintain. You can keep it in Jupyter Notebook or Google Colab, or you can run your codes in Kaggle as well. And the fourth one is the choice of data science libraries. So this is one of the key benefit of using Python for data science. So Python offers access to a wide variety of data analysis and data science libraries. Some of this include pandas, numpy, scipy, stats model. So we are going to learn all these things during our course as well. So these are some of the many available libraries. And Python, what's happening is right. Python is continuously adding new libraries to its collection. The next one is graphics and visualization. So Python comes with many visualization options. Matplotlib provides the solid foundation around which other libraries like Seaborn, Pandas plotting, and ggplot have been built. And all these plots we'll be looking into during our course in our next modules. So the visualization packages help make sense of data. It also creates charts, graphical plots, and web-ready interactive plots. And the most important one is Python community. So this community is a tight-knit one. And finding a solution to a challenging problem has never been easier. We can do a quick internet search and is all you need is you can easily find answer to any questions or connect with others who may be able to help. So nowadays programmers can also connect with their peers on Stack Overflow. Now let's get started with installing Anaconda. So I guess most of you know about Anaconda. If some of you doesn't know, then I'll be showing you how to download Anaconda. You can do a Google search of Anaconda and you will get the link here. So you need to go to Anaconda. You can go to this link. And here is it. You can download. You can download Anaconda for Mac as well, for Windows as well. So I'll be sharing the link to download Anaconda below so you can directly go through that as well. So once Anaconda is downloaded, just open the Anaconda Navigator, go to Jupyter Notebook, click on launch, and you are ready to go. So this is the Jupyter Notebook. Now let's start with our first code. So in every programming languages, right, we start with hello world. So let's print hello world. You can do Control plus enter if you are using Windows, or Shift plus enter if you are using Mac to run the code. Or you can also run the code here. There is a run button here. You can click on the run button and the code will run. See, we printed hello world. So I'll ask you to do with me side by side so that you gain practical knowledge as well. Now let's print a number. Print 12. So the difference between these two codes, right? See, I printed 12, then printed hello world. So in hello world, I have used double quotation. However, while printing 12, I have not used double quotation. This means that the difference is that hello world is a string and we write a string within double quotations, and 12 is a numeric data type, so we don't need to write it in double quotes. So we'll be learning more about strings and data types in our next class. So now let's go to comments. So if you want to write comment, right, so the comment, right, more we use in programming, right, the comments are used so that suppose you have written one code, right, one code for something, and other guy is viewing the code. So what happens if you don't write the code, right, that guy might not be able to understand what you have written in some cases. So it's better to write comments so that it's understandable to everyone. Like in print hello world, right, we we can write as the first code, so that is visible that this is your first code. Everyone can see this code and know this is your first code. So the comments starts with hash. So we should always use a hashtag to write a comment. Like in here 12 also we can write hashtag number. As easy as it. So now so Python can be also be used as a calculator. I'll give you some examples of that. We were doing that. So in other programming languages, right, to make addition and subtraction or all those mathematical calculations, you need to write some codes. But in Python, you don't need to write anything. So suppose you want to add two numbers, 2 plus 3. Just write 2 plus 3 and run the code. Now suppose you want to subtract some numbers. Let it be 7 minus 2. Run the code. The answer is 5. It's as it is then. Now let's try multiplication. 3 into 3, 9. So we are going to look into this mathematical calculations again when we're learning more about arithmetic operations in Python. This is all for module 1. We are going to share modules every day with you at 7 p.m. So on before checking the next module, I will request you to try these things on your own. So try printing welcome, then print any number of your choice and do addition, subtraction and multiplication of 5 and 7. So in your next module, in module 2, we are going to cover is creating variables. We'll be looking into casting, then getting the type of the variable, catch sensitivity of the variables, and we'll be also looking into some examples.